The Appsmakerstore Form Editor gadget toolset specifically targets customers who spend a lot of their time and money filling in forms every day. Now, we've come a long way since the invention of pen and paper, and there's a much better way of doing this, digitally with an app for your business. Using the form editor, your business can have dedicated forms only available to specific users or groups, or those registered in your app with unique usernames with passwords. Create simple or sophisticated forms, or delegate the ability to create new ones to colleagues out in the field with third-party access. With ready-made or customized drop-down lists, multi-select, checkpoints, date, photo uploads, or take a photo on the spot there and then. Start-stop time reporting, and even add precise user geolocation validation that can be really useful for teams if you're on a construction site, for example. With drop-down options from ready-made customer lists or checklist options, the submitted form results can even be sent to dedicated staff in separate departments via email, PDF, or CSV reporting, which can be simply exported and downloaded and have the ability to sync to other systems if needed. We also provide an easy-to-use and intuitive dashboard where you can make changes yourself without any technical knowledge whatsoever. Comprehensive "How do I?" training will be provided via a personal WebEx with your dedicated project manager specifically on your individual build that will be completed within 3 to 4 weeks. Your forms will work offline in your own fully branded app that is published in app stores for Apple iOS and Google Android, along with a version for your website. The award-winning Appsmakerstore Form solution is proven since 2010, secure and robust, and is ideal for any business involved in construction, facilities management, security, cleaning, people management, HR, and government agencies, freeing up more of your time and allowing you to do more of what you need to do. Let Appsmakerstore do what we do best, delivering value and the advantages that the latest technology can have for you.